It's December. You're scrolling, you see the perfect gift, and you click buy now. The website promises it'll arrive tomorrow. And when it does, right on time, it feels a little bit like magic. Like Santa's sleigh just made a special stop for you. But what if I told you that this magic isn't just for Christmas anymore? That a company didn't just build a better store, but an entirely new kind of Santa Claus that works 365 days a year? You're watching Cultural Capital TV, where psychology, money, culture, and history meet. Because nothing is ever as simple as it looks. Today, we're unpacking how Amazon turned the holiday rush into our daily reality. We'll explore the massive infrastructure that makes it all possible, and what this shift means for how we think about time, money, and the very act of gift giving. Amazon didn't just change how we shop. It changed our expectations of reality itself. To understand how we got here, we have to go back to the core ritual of Christmas gift giving. It's a tradition built on emotion, the desire to surprise someone, to delight them, and most importantly, to have the gift arrive on time. For generations, the tension of the holiday season was whether your presents would make it under the tree by Christmas morning. This created a powerful cultural narrative around deadlines, urgency, and the joy of a timely delivery. Amazon saw this emotional landscape not as a seasonal challenge, but as a business model. They understood that the feeling of relief and happiness when a gift arrives on schedule is a powerful psychological driver. So they built their entire system around delivering that feeling, not just in December, but every single day. The masterstroke was Amazon Prime. It wasn't just a loyalty program. It was a promise. 2-day shipping, which once seemed impossibly fast, became the standard. It wasn't a special holiday treat. It was your right as a member. This fundamentally changed the narrative of gift giving. The retailer was no longer just a place to buy things. It was an active participant in the story of the gift itself. Amazon became the reliable helper, the one who ensures the surprise isn't ruined by a late delivery, and they just keep getting faster. According to 2024 data, Amazon now offers same-day or next-day delivery on millions of items. Think about that. The window between wanting something and having it has shrunk from weeks to mere hours. This incredible speed has completely rewired our behavior. We procrastinate on holiday shopping because we know Amazon will get it there in time. We buy gifts for birthdays and anniversaries at the last possible second, confident in the Prime promise. The holiday rush, feeling that mix of urgency and excitement, is now something we can experience on a random Tuesday in April. The special occasion is no longer the holiday. It's the act of shopping itself, made near instantaneous by a logistics system that has become the modern Santa workshop. But how does this magic actually happen? It's not elves and reindeer. It's an unprecedented empire of logistics and infrastructure. Behind every arriving tomorrow notification is one of the most complex physical networks ever built by a single company. We're talking about a sprawling web of over 1,000 fulfillment centers globally, strategically placed to be within a short drive of major population centers. These are highly automated facilities where robots and humans work in a choreographed dance to pick, pack, and ship orders at lightning speed. Then there's the delivery network, Amazon Logistics. You've seen the blue vans everywhere. These are driven by their delivery service partners, or DSPs. A network of thousands of small businesses created almost exclusively to deliver Amazon packages. But it doesn't stop there. Amazon has its own fleet of cargo aircraft, Amazon Air, which moves inventory between fulfillment centers overnight, ensuring that products are always in the right place at the right time. And they are constantly expanding. For example, in 2025, Amazon announced a $4 billion investment just to expand its rural delivery network, making their delivery speeds universal. The goal is to make 2-day or even same-day delivery a reality for everyone, everywhere. This massive ongoing investment is what allows Amazon to handle the incredible spike in orders during the holidays without collapsing. But more importantly, it allows them to maintain that holiday speed as the baseline for the entire year. The rest of the e-commerce world is now playing catch-up. Amazon didn't just raise the bar for itself. It reset the bar for everyone. The expectation of fast, free shipping is now so ingrained in us that any retailer who can't offer it seems slow and outdated. This immense logistical power is the engine that transformed a seasonal ritual into an everyday habit. This brings us to the cultural shift. The model of the holiday season, with its urgency, its focus on gift giving, and its joy in timely arrivals, has been completely normalized into our daily lives. Amazon brilliantly took the elements of a special, once-a-year event and replicated them over and over. Think about Prime Day. It's a manufactured holiday, a mid-year Black Friday, designed to create a sense of urgency and encourage mass purchasing. These manufactured events, combined with the constant promise of 2-day shipping, mean the holiday feeling is always just a click away. Consumer expectations have changed forever. According to multiple studies, free and fast shipping is no longer seen as a bonus. It's the absolute baseline. If a retailer charges for shipping or has a 5-day delivery window, many of us will simply abandon our carts and go to Amazon. This shift has been incredibly beneficial for Amazon. By making the delivery process frictionless and fast, they encourage more frequent, smaller purchases throughout the year. The Santa moment, that little hit of dopamine when a package arrives, is no longer a yearly treat. For many Prime members, it's a weekly or even daily occurrence. The company has successfully unbundled the joy of Christmas morning and sells it to us, piece by piece, all year long. This transformation has profound implications for our psychology and spending habits. The near-instant gratification of 2-day shipping dramatically lowers the friction of buying. When you know something will arrive almost immediately, the decision to purchase becomes much easier. It feeds our impulse buy tendencies. You don't have to wait and reconsider. You can have it now. This is directly linked to the psychology of gift giving. Part of the joy of giving a gift is the social status that comes with being prepared and delivering it on time. When every order we place for ourselves arrives with that same speed and reliability, the psychological line between a necessary purchase and a self-gifted treat starts to blur. Every delivery feels like a small, personal victory. However, this convenience comes at a cost. The logistics required to make this happen are incredibly expensive, putting immense pressure on other retailers who can't compete with Amazon's scale. It has also cultivated a culture of impatience. We've become less tolerant of waiting, not just for packages, but for everything. And then there are the environmental concerns. The demand for speed means more delivery trucks on the road, more packaging materials, and a higher carbon footprint per item. The system also generates a massive volume of returns, as impulse buys are more likely to be sent back, adding another layer of logistical and environmental strain. The magic of instant delivery isn't free. Its costs are just hidden from plain sight. So what does this all mean for you? The first step is simply awareness. The next time you find yourself on Amazon and feel that urge to click buy now because it will arrive tomorrow, take a moment. Recognize that you are tapping into a powerful system that was intentionally designed around the emotional rituals of the holidays. Yes, you're not just buying a product, but you're also buying speed, convenience, and a hit of dopamine that has been carefully engineered to keep you coming back. Here's a practical takeaway. Try to plan your purchases more consciously. Before you buy, ask yourself if you truly need it right away, or if the system is simply nudging you toward an impulse decision. Think about the hidden costs, the environmental impact, the pressure on workers, the way it shapes your own patience. When you see free 2-day shipping, remember that its cost is baked into the system in other ways. Next time you're about to make a purchase simply because it will arrive tomorrow, pause and ask yourself, am I buying this because I genuinely need it? Or because the system made it feel as easy and exciting as opening a present on Christmas morning? To wrap it up, Amazon built a logistics empire that turned the seasonal magic of Santa Claus into a daily expectation. The infrastructure, the culture of convenience, and our own psychology now feed into each other, creating a powerful loop that has changed the world of retail forever. If you like this deep dive into how psychology, money, culture, and history collide, hit that like button, subscribe to Cultural Capital TV, and drop a comment below. Now tell us, what's the fastest you've ever received an Amazon purchase that made it feel like Santa came early? Thanks for watching.